BSF personnel have been martyred in this attack on our forces in Kashmir. This has happened in Srinagar, where 2 BSF personnel were martyred while fighting against terrorists in the valley. Zeenat, I believe, is connected back with us. Zeenat, first up, confirm for us, 2 BSF personnel martyred in this attack?
Oh yes, that has been confirmed by IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar that the 2 BSF personals have been martyred in this very attack that has taken place a while back in Pandash, that comes in the outskirts of Srinagar. In fact, what we are picking also from the BSF officials is that both the martyred BSF personals were Muslims and they were on fast, and they had come to this very particular shop to buy some food items for iftar. But you see how the situation is turning in valley now, that they are not sparing even the people who are there on law and order, maintaining the law and order, and those who had come to buy the essential items in order to break the fast iftar in around 7:30. But they were targeted from a very close link. In fact, the IG Kashmir Vijay Kumar said the pistol-borne terrorists were on this very motorbike. There were 3 in number who fired from a very close range. In fact, one BSF personnel lost his life there on the spot. In fact, the other one, who was evacuated to hospital, succumbed on way. The attack is coming just after 24 hours when the security forces launched anti-militancy operation in downtown area of Srinagar, where 2 Hizbul Mujahideen terrorists were neutralized by the security forces in 13-hour gun battle. In fact, this is the Pandach area this is the outskirts of Srinagar, where the attack has been carried by the terrorists. In fact, the cordon and search operation has also been launched in the particular area. All entry-exit points have been sealed by the security force. So cordon operations and search have been launched by the Jammu Kashmir Police along with the CRPF. Top officials of Jammu Kashmir Police, CRPF and the BSF also visited the spot. That includes IG Kashmir, SSP Srinagar, SSP Gandarbal, and also DIG North as well as Central Kashmir were here, who also confirmed that the 2 BSF personnel lost their life in this very particular attack. In fact, this also shows not only the desperation coming from the militants' side, but also shows the terrorist number is quite well in the valley. And particularly, we are seeing since yesterday, the Srinagar city is coming up as far as the terrorist number is concerned, because yesterday when the operation was launched in the downtown area of Srinagar, the local boys of Hizbul Mujahideen were neutralized, and today again what we are picking, they are the local boys who have targeted the BSF personals.